We're going to do a brief video on Nvda, Nvidia Stock Analysis. We've got a daily chart up here with a 520 and a blue 200-day moving average. And let's take a look real quick and see what was going on with the stock a little earlier. If we go back to November of 2021, we see the stock peaked out at around 346 or so and came down, tested the 200-day moving average, bounced a couple of times, and this final bounce set a new set a retrace of almost 50% of the decline, and then it sold off again, but this time sold off really hard, attacked the 200-day moving average just as it was peaking. The 20-day, you saw a lot of respect for the 20-day, and this particular sell-off stuck. You saw this gap right here indicated some serious selling, and a lot of really good straight down closes. Put this stock in a bear market. We're still in a bear market. We're below the 200-day moving average. You can see how big this area here is under the 200-day moving average. That's an indication that the market is weak, and that people are not really interested in buying this stock. They're trading it. So you can see we've been oscillating back and forth from approximately May, the middle of May, to now the end of August. We're oscillating back and forth in the $170 range, around the $170 range for this stock. So we're in a trading range. They're trying to figure out whether they want to take it lower or rally it back up to test the 200-day moving average, and they haven't decided that yet. If you take a closer look, you can see Friday had a really good sell-off on this stock from 179 to about 162, and today we're right here on a low of 160. So the stock essentially, from a technical perspective, this is all my opinion for entertainment purposes only, but from a technical perspective, this stock's just in a sideways market. It's officially in a bear market, but it's trading sideways. They're trying to decide what to do with it. Some people are buying it, some people are distributing it out, taking their losses, and a lot of people are just trading it back and forth, because when a stock goes sideways like this, it's pretty interesting to just trade it for short-term gains. Keep in mind you can also lose money trading, but that's what it looks to me like what they're doing. My analysis, this is stock for the near term, say into the end of September. If we can get this stock to get back above a 20-day moving average, which is fairly simple and easy to do. Right now the 20 days move is rolling over, you can see, but it's just basically oscillating. If this stock can hold this area here and not make significant new lows, but somehow get back above the 20-day moving average, then I would expect right here at the end of September, early October, a test of the $200 range on this stock. That could easily happen. Just depends on whether or not we can get some support here. Right this second, the stock's in a bear market, and if this 20-day continues to roll over and we get respect for the 5-day, then you could easily make new lows in this stock down below its current low for this move of 140. So you could see at the end of September lows into the 130s on this stock, but you could just as easily see a test of the $200 level. When the stock is in a sideways trading range like this, it's just not really possible to tell at the moment what's going on. But that's essentially the way I see this. This sell-off Friday, I don't think that's a big deal at all. You'll see we had a similar sell-off here, went down and made a bottom and rallied right back up. So I don't think this sell-off is that big of a deal. But if you want to see a rally in this stock around to the 190, 200 range, you're going to have to put some strength in here and get the price above the 20-day moving average and keep it up there to get a challenge at the 200-day moving average. I would expect that here at some point. I would say there's probably a 60% chance that'll happen by the end of September, but we just have to wait and see. Let's take a look and see what RBAM research says about this stock. We do cover it. Today we're trading at a low of about 160. Let's see what RBAM says. RBAM research covers it right here. Nvidia. We have 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods on these. You can see they come out for the 29th right here, and that's this morning. And again, we go down here and see that for the 1-day column, recommended buy price for entertainment purposes only is $152, 5 days $156, and the 20-day has been hit at $160.49. So again, your own analysis has to support whatever you do. These are for entertainment purposes only. But if your own analysis said you'd like to be in this stock for a max of 20 days, you could buy at around this level, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea. And that's been hit today, this 160 level. You would expect, under our algorithms, for the stock to be an interesting buy to look at this price. And the way the 20-day works, you would get in today, take your profits as soon as you got them if you did, or worst case, close it out at a loss at the 20-day trading day mark, just before the trading day ended on the 20th day. That's the way these work. So 1-day hold, buy today, close out tomorrow just before the market trades at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get them. Same thing with the 5-day. Take your profits as soon as you get them, or close it out worst case 5 trading days later. So that's how these work. They come out Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. There's absolutely no cost and no credit card required. You can get them all at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. That's rbamresearch.com. We cover 190 stocks. They're all longs at the moment. We cover longs and shorts for forex, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures. Again, link in the description below. Absolutely free, no credit card required. Just go to rbamresearch.com and sign up to view those prices every day before 7 a.m. There's a like button down below. If you'd like this video, please click it. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you have a great idea to improve the quality of these videos, please let us know in the comments section below. And keep in mind, everything that you've seen or heard on here, including the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. They're all our opinion, and you definitely trade at your own risk. Keep in mind, you always have to do your own analysis, and you should never rely on our entry prices for anything other than entertainment.